whispers turn to thunder sound, ideas rising from the ground. Through every word the world transforms. 1,000 truths are being born. Voices of change breaking through. Every thought reborn, every dream renewed. From silence comes the spark divine, the power to speak, the will to shine. I've seen the stories fade and grow. The mind's a river, let it flow. Each conversation lights the flame. No word we speak remains the same. Echoes of the past unwound.